Good morning children. Welcome back to your social science session, and today we are going to do chapter number 2 as we have already completed chapter number 1 in our previous sessions. Okay, so chapter number 2 is solar system. So in this we are going to learn about what is a solar system, what are the things that are present in the solar system. So today we will learn all about solar system. So as we all know, there are 8 planets along with the central star, that is sun. So this is the constitution of solar system. The solar system is made up of all these things. But children, there are few more things that are present in the solar system. They are satellites. Satellites means the things that revolve around a planet. So planet के आसपास जो भी चीज़ें revolve होती हैं, they are known as satellites. Children, we all know that all the planets, they revolve around the sun. Revolving around means they take a orbit around the sun. They move around the sun in a fixed orbit. Orbit is the distance or the path, the circular path that they follow. For example, if this is a sun, okay, if this is a sun and this is the planet Mercury. So this planet revolves around the sun in a fixed orbit. Okay, so not only Mercury, all the 8 planets of the solar system, they revolve around the sun in a fixed path. That is the distance between sun and the last planet, that is Neptune, Uranus, be it Jupiter, be it Mars, be it Earth, be it Venus or be it Mercury. So all the planets have different distances from the sun. So sun is the central star of the solar system. Okay, the sun is the central star of the solar system. Now you have learned that the planets, they revolve around the sun. They follow a circular path. Circular means in a circle they roam, and they have a fixed path, the fixed distance that on which they revolve around the sun. Now there are various other things that are revolving around planets. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो planets के अराउंड में revolve होती है. Now what are they? They are the satellites. What are they? They are the satellites. What are satellites, children? Satellite is anything that is sent to space to revolve or orbit around a planet. तो satellites जो होते हैं वो ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जिनको स्पेस में भेजा जाता है. All the planets have different satellites. Now satellites can be either natural or man-made. ओके, तो सैटेलाइट्स नेचुरल भी हो सकते हैं एंड मैन मेड भी हो सकते हैं. सैटेलाइट्स कैन बी नेचुरल एज वेल एज मैन मेड. नाउ मैम, व्हाट इज नेचुरल सैटेलाइट? हाउ डू वी नो व्हाट इज अ नेचुरल सैटेलाइट? सो वेट चिल्ड्रन, आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज अ नेचुरल एंड अ मैन मेड सैटेलाइट. सो द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. Natural satellite is a satellite that is created on its own. When the planets were created, that time their natural satellites also came into existence. So natural satellite for Earth or for all the other planets is Moon. Moon is the natural satellite. Okay, we did not send Moon to space to revolve around Earth. Okay, it existed on its own. It was there by itself. वो अपने आप वहाँ था. Okay, now what are man-made satellites? Man-made satellites are those that are sent into the space through a man, through rockets that is made to revolve around the planets. Now you must have heard about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a man-made satellite that was sent into space to study the planets. So Aryabhatta was a man-made satellite. Okay, so natural satellite is the moon and man-made satellites, a lot of satellites are there. So Natural satellite is one, that is the moon, and there are many man-made satellites, and one of the example is Aryabhatta. So now we are going to study their characteristics and how do they exist, what are their properties, which planet has how many satellites, the natural satellites, which is what in color. Okay, so we will study all the features and characteristics of these planets as well as the central star. Now, the central star Sun. First of all, we will read the properties of Sun. Children, as you can see in the diagram, Sun is the biggest star of the solar system. Okay, Sun is bigger than all these planets. None of the planet is bigger than the Sun. So, Sun is the biggest planet star in the solar system. Okay. Now children, we'll start with the properties of Sun. So Sun is known as the central star of the solar system. This is the central star. Also, it is the brightest star because it has lots of heat and light. It produces a lot of heat energy that is produced due to the continued explosions on the surface. What are explosions? Explosions are the bursting out of fire from the ground. So from under the ground, the fire burst out onto the surface. So sun के surface पे बहुत सारे continue explosions and fireworks होते रहते हैं. Therefore, it produces a huge energy, huge amount of energy. Now, the sun spins on its own axis. Now, the sun is the central star, okay? So, it doesn't go and revolve around any planet. For example, if this is a sun and these are the planets revolve around the sun. But the sun, it doesn't go and revolve around any of the planet. It just stands in one place and it rotates in only its place. So this is the way the sun rotates. So it spins means it rotates, it moves in its own place, on its own axis. Okay? So अपनी खुद की place पे sun rotate करता है. So it and also sun is so big that lakhs of earth can fit inside the sun. Like earth is of only this size and sun is very big. So lakhs of earth, more than lakhs of earth can fit inside the sun. It is so big. Okay, so we studied the property that is the brightest star. Also it is the central star of the solar system. It is the brightest. Why brightest? Because it produces a lot of energy on the surface due to continued explosions, the bursting out of fire from the ground. So it is the only source of heat and light in the entire solar system. पूरे solar system में जितनी भी light और जितनी भी हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है दैट इज ड्यू टू सन. ओके, एंड वी रेड सन spins on its own axis, that it stands only in one place and rotates in its own place. Okay, so if I am the sun and I am rotating like this, so sun also rotates like this. Okay, it doesn't go and revolve around any planet. It just stands in one place and takes continued rotations. So these were the properties of sun. Now we will study the properties of the first planet, that is Mercury. Okay, so now we will learn the features of the planet Mercury. Mercury is 1/3 the size of Earth. So Mercury is only 1/3. That means if we divide Earth into 3 parts, so it will take only 1 part. For example, this is Earth. Okay, so if I divide Earth into 3 parts, that is the first part, then the second part, and then the third part. So it will take only 1 part. That is, if I give this part, so it will take only this much amount of space of the planet Earth. So Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. It is only 1/3. 1/3 means if I divide Earth into 3 parts, that is the 1 part, the 2 part, the 3rd part. So it will take only 1 part of the Earth's space. Earth की total space का only 1/3 part it will take. So it is 1/3 the size of Earth. Number 2, smallest planet. It is the smallest planet because इससे छोटा planet solar system में कोई भी नहीं है. There is no other planet smaller than Mercury, which is almost less than 1/3 of the size of Earth. Okay. Next is it has rocky surface, means there are lots of rocks on the surface of Mercury and has many craters. Now you will ask, ma'am, what are craters? So craters are the large holes are present. Craters are the large holes that are present on the surface of Mercury. So these holes are created when any other heavenly body means कोई भी ऐसी ऑब्जेक्ट जो स्पेस में होती है, जब वो किसी भी प्लैनेट से या सरफेस से टकराती है, दैट क्रिएट्स द क्रेटर्स दैट आर द लार्ज होल्स ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ मर्क्यूरी. ओके, नाउ if I talk about the color of Mercury, so the color of Mercury is brownish gray. The color of Mercury is brownish gray. It is brownish gray in color. Also it has no moon. Mercury के ऊपर, Mercury के आसपास कोई भी natural satellite नहीं revolve करता है. That means it has no moon. Okay? Now Mercury कितना टाइम लेता है टू रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन, टू मेक वन कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन? हाउ मच टाइम डज मर्क्यूरी टेक? सो सन के अराउंड मर्क्यूरी को रिवॉल्व होने में, एक पूरा सर्कुलर पाथ कंप्लीट करने में हाउ मच टाइम इट टेक्स? सो इट टेक्स 88 days. So Mercury completes one revolution around the sun in 88 days because the distance is less. क्योंकि if you see Mercury sun के कितना पास है ना, but Earth is far than Mercury. Okay, so it takes 88 days. That means 88 days में one revolution Mercury का complete हो जाता है. Now life is not present or life does not exist on Mercury. Why? This is so because Mercury का surface is very rocky. Also it has many craters. Also it is very hot or very cold. For example, this is Mercury. So half of the part that is facing towards the sun is very hot. So this part is very hot, and the other part that is away from the sun, this is very cold. So life on Mercury cannot exist because for living we need a moderate. Moderate means not very cool, not very hot. So we need an environment or a temperature like that. But Mercury का temperature is very hot on the side of Earth and very cold on the other side. Okay? Now this was all about Mercury. This is all for today. Today we will study till Mercury. In the next class we shall continue with the other planets. Okay? So till then, bye bye and have a good day.